Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Skill Up Stand channel. In this session, we are going to understand how we can get 100% free voucher to appear for AWS foundational as well as associate level examination. As you all might know, AWS examination costs around $100 and $150 for foundational and associate level. Professional and specialty is on a very higher side. So what you can do by following the instructions that I'm going to share, you can get 100% free voucher and you still have a lot of time, 5 to 6 months time left in order to get this free vouchers. So I'll walk you through on how to get the 100% AWS certification voucher in details. AWS Educate is having a emerging talent community program through which you can learn as well as get the free voucher as part of the learning. So in order to get these vouchers, so you can get both foundational level vouchers as well as associate level vouchers. So what you have to do is you have to register yourself. Even if you are still pursuing your education, you are still eligible to go and register for this. If you are already in a working professional, you can also definitely do this. And there is no restriction in terms of the age to learn through the AWS Educate portal. If you want to get the foundational level vouchers, you need to get 4,500 points. And once you get that points, you can go and appear for either AWS certified cloud practitioner exam or the AI practitioner exam. And if you have got 5,200 points, you can go and appear for any of these five associate level exam. If you have any questions around the AWS Educate program, so I will provide the frequently asked questions link on the description. You can go through that link and get clarified. Even feel free to use the comment section to ask any questions if you might have. So what you have to do is you have to register yourself in the AWS Educate portal. You will get an email with a link to verify your account. That is the first step. And once you have done that, you will so this is the link which I will provide on the description. You can use that link to register yourself. So AWS Educate program is open to any individual, regardless of whether you are still pursuing your education or you already have some technical experience or you need some career upskilling or cross skilling. You can use this particular portal. So in order to register yourself, okay, so you have to fill in some of the information that they have asked. So you just have to register with your email address. There is no credit card or there is no credit related stuffs involved in this. So once after you do that, you will get a link to reset your password. Follow the password complexity and get the password reset. Once after you do that, so you will see a link called Emerging Talent Community link, and below that you will also see some of the courses which are batch eligible. So in order to get these score the points, right? So you have multiple ways to get those points. One way is to go through the documentation, watching the videos, completing the courses, and even at times you will also get some surveys and feedback link. If you complete those surveys, you will also get a couple of 100 points or maybe like 300 points for some of the tasks that you perform. So you have a separate dashboard where you can start looking at what is the current points, and sometimes it might take some time to reflect those points. And if you have any challenges with those points and stuff, you can also raise a request and with the AWS Educate team, and they will be able to um, acknowledge or confirm why there is a delay or what is the reason that you have not got those points. So as I said, in order to qualify for this AWS Emerging Talent Community Program, you should have completed 18 years of age. So this is not the experience I'm talking about. I'm talking about the 18 years of age that you have to complete. So you can go and start learning the courses. Only thing is, like, in order to get the vouchers, you might have to complete, you should have to complete 18 years of age. Okay, and the badges that you get, you can get it from multiple different AWS training program. AWS Skill Builder, as you know, has got a lot of training materials, training sessions. You can use those, and you can also watch some of the session in AWS Restart program, AWS Academy. All of these provide you the qualifying badges. Very important point is that you have to use the same Gmail address across all these portals. If you are using different email address or Gmail address, you might not get the points accumulated on the same account. You might get those points into different account. That might lead to a lot of confusion. So use the Gmail address across all these training program or training portal. So that way you can accumulate all the points in one place. Right. So once you get these points, you will be able to request for the reward. And before appearing for the exam, see, it is always good that you try yourself with practice exams and exam preparation courses, right? So AWS is making it as a mandate, as an eligibility requirement before you take any foundational level exam or associate level exam. So what you have to do is you have to complete the exam preparation course in AWS Skill Builder, and also you have to try the practice exam, the official practice question set, and you have to score 70% before you request for the reward. Okay, that is a kind of eligibility requirement which I have to do, and which is good, right? So you will know where you are and whether you are struggling with some specific area, so you can go and refresh those domains or skills before you can take the exam, right? So there are certain things that you have to do. There are certain exam prep sessions and the practice exam that you have to take. What I will do is, in order to make this process easier, I'll provide all the links related to the cloud practitioner as well as the associate level certification courses, so you can just get them completed. Very important thing is, like, once you have completed the course which are listed above, and if you have got enough points, you can get the 100% discount voucher for your exam in the emerging talent community section of your AWS Educate login. And generally, the rewards are reviewed and approved within 3 to 5 business days. But if in case it is taking more time, you can go and register a ticket with them, and then they will be able to support you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via the comment section. I'll be able to help you out. Thank you. Thank you for listening. All the best with your examinations.